So I picked up this 12-inch, 40-volt, lithium-powered chainsaw from Amazon. This little sucker probably cost $136. The exact unit that I'm using will be linked in the show notes below. First off, I'm not huge when it comes to battery-powered anything. You know, I've always been a gas type of guy. But this little sucker is worth its weight in gold. Now, the battery did not come charged whenever I received my box, but it only took about 35 minutes to get a full battery. And I probably only done about an hour's worth of cutting today. My bar right now is, I'm at 3 bars. So, you know, I guess quick math, about a bar an hour. So, you know, I've still got about 3 hours worth on this battery.